If you've browsed tech jobs recently, you've probably wondered if data engineers and software engineers are secretly the same person under different titles. Today, we're settling the score. We'll explore their roles, their differences, and who gets paid more. Welcome to this video on bite-sized data. To simplify this, imagine a massive global restaurant franchise. A software engineer builds the dining room, creates the menu, and manages customer transactions. They care about immediate user experience. The data engineer, conversely, builds the massive automated supply chain and manages the central refrigerated storage to ensure everything flows correctly. Software engineers are the architects of customer interaction. Whether it's a button animation or processing a secure checkout transaction in milliseconds, that's their domain. They typically work with OLTP databases, online transaction processing systems, which are highly optimized for handling individual operations, like updating a single user record. Data engineers focus on the plumbing. Instead of building user-facing apps, they construct the automated highways that ingest raw, unformatted data. They transform messy logs into clean, structured information within data lakes. They utilize OLAP databases, online analytical processing, to handle and query billions of rows of historical data efficiently. Let's compare them head-to-head. Software engineers typically build applications and APIs using languages like TypeScript or Go, while data engineers use Python and SQL to build data flows. Their challenges differ too. A software engineer might worry about UI bugs, whereas a data engineer faces outages caused by invalid data input. A major pain point in the industry is what we call the communication void. Often, 99% of pipeline errors occur when software engineers update an API schema without notification. The application remains functional, but the analytical pipeline downstream breaks, creating significant challenges for the data team to resolve. In a mature company, these roles collaborate through a seamless handoff. First, the software engineer processes the user's action and saves the data. Next, the data engineer's pipeline captures, scrubs, and secures that record. Finally, business intelligence dashboards are updated, allowing leadership to make data-driven decisions based on live trends. There is an old computer science proverb: there are only two hard things in computer science: cache invalidation, naming things, and off-by-one errors. Data engineers might add a fourth: convincing software engineers to properly document their databases to avoid breaking downstream processes. Which path fits your career goals? Do you prefer crafting interactive digital storefronts? Or are you drawn to building the heavy industrial data pipelines behind the scenes? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video where we dive into ETL pipelines.